Hi there, are you spending so much time to search for the files that a customer has sent to you in a long email threads? Hereafter, you don't have to waste your time on finding important files. By using our Google Drive extension for Zoho CRM, you no longer have to search the long email threads to look for the attachments you need. Our Google Drive extension enables users to collaborate on client-related documents and files stored in Google Drive from within Zoho CRM Custom Module, which enables users to view, share, access and manage all the files effectively, without navigating to the Google Drive. I'm gonna show you how to install and use the Google Drive extension in Zoho CRM step by step. Let's get started. Tick mark the checkbox and click Install button. After installation, authorize your Google account. After installation and authorization, move on to Settings page of the extension. Tap on Configuration button. It prompts you to enter the root folder id, select Custom Module and Custom Field Name. After filling the details, click on Save button. Now you can view the folder created with the module name inside the root folder. Then move on to the respective custom module. Select particular record and click Add Files to Google Drive from Related List. Now you can start adding files to Google Drive. Also, you can view the respective file information inside Zoho CRM itself. Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope this video is helpful for you to install the Google Drive extension in your Zoho CRM account.